Yes. Now we take up Delhi High Court Amendment Bill 2014. Sri D.S. Sadananda Gowda to move.
Sir, I move that the bill to further amend the Delhi High Court 96 may be taken into consideration.
Yes. What? क्या है?
Okay.
Yes, what is the matter? You want to object?
मैंने भी
हाँ.
आपको कहा था कि मैं अपनी राय इसमें रखना चाहता हूं। इसमें मैंने मंत्री महोदय को चिट्ठी भी लिखी हुई है, प्रधानमंत्री महोदय को भी, और अब लॉ कमीशन की रिपोर्ट भी सर आई है। डिप्टी स्पीकर सर, मैं
बोलिए।
मंत्री जी को, प्रधानमंत्री जी को, अरुण जेटली साहब को, रविशंकर प्रसाद जी को इस विषय में चिट्ठी लिख चुका हूं, और अभी लॉ कमीशन की रिपोर्ट भी आई है जिसमें सभी हाई कोर्ट में कॉमर्शियल बेंच बनाने की भी उसमें सुझाव है। तो मेरा कहना है कि वेस्टर्न यूपी समेत सभी मामलों को जोड़कर एक रिपोर्ट दोबारा ये अपनी पेश करें तो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, वरना ये आधी अधूरी रह जाएगी। और मैं जो इसकी मूल भावना है उसको सपोर्ट करते हुए मैं डिसएग्री करता हूं कि कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बना करके और सभी मामलों को उसमें जोड़ करके एक नई ये रिपोर्ट तैयार
So you want now your point is you want to take up along with the okay. Now what is your point?
My point is the same point I have. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट बिल के साथ में अगर ये एक साथ लाया गया तो मुझे लगता है वो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव रहेगा और उसका उपयोग भी होगा।
अच्छा।
और सारे सभी हाई कोर्ट
सर, मैंने पिछली बार भी कहा था, जिससे हमारे वेस्टर्न यूपी का मामला है, 6 करोड़ की आबादी है, इलाहाबाद 720 किलोमीटर है, लाहौर जो है 400 किलोमीटर है, तो ये सारी चीजों का उसमें समावेश हो जाए और उसके बाद लॉ कमीशन की जो रिकमेंडेशन है उसको लेकर के कंप्लीट करेंगे तो हमारे साथ भी
I have no objection. I have no objection. If the House agree, what is the minister's view?
Yeah, what Honorable Member Mr. Tyagi said is right, sir. Because the Law Commission has given its 253rd report, and wherein the establishment of setting up a commercial division and commercial appellate division of high courts and commercial courts bill 215 that is already drafted, and it is given by the Law Commission to the Law Ministry. The Law Ministry is also working on it, and
so the basic
we would like to bring the bill.
Do you agree that this will be deferred so that we will take up Law Commission report together?
Yes, I agree.
You agree?
We can take up together after the commission.
All right. In that case, that is the sense of the House. Yes.
For differing, it is totally different bill. That is their different bill.
No.
That is.
It is not the bill. No, you are not understood. Sorry. That is not the bill. See, the Law Commission report is also coming. At that time, this can also be considered together so that we will have a...
It is totally different, sir. Totally different.
At that time, anyhow there is...
In the report also we have told it like that.
Anyhow, the majority government also agrees with the suggestion. Then what is your problem?
Only the government.
There will be a small confusion with regard to the pecuniary jurisdiction of Delhi High Court. Now, this is a bill for enhancement of the pecuniary jurisdiction of Delhi High Court in the district courts from 20 lakhs to 2 crores. There also in the commercial courts, there also Law Commission said that yes, that the pecuniary jurisdiction should be 1 crore. So there will be a small mismatch between those two. If it is brought together, certainly there will be no problem, and we can take up the matter.
I think the sense of the House is to defer this bill, and because it has been suggested and agreed, Minister has also no objection, so the bill is deferred for consideration later. Now I will take up now.
Can I say something?
I am taking a special mention.
Can I say something? Can I say something?
What?
About this bill, I am saying that the government doesn't know whether to go left or right. They are running away from their responsibility. They have already presented the bill. Why could they not think about this before? And it has nothing to do with
that is because
it has
the
nothing
suggestion
to do
came
with
from the House.
commercial.
No. The suggestion came from the House only. Government has nothing to. Suggestion came from the House, and government has accepted the suggestion of the House.
I want to mention.
That is all.
I want
the view. No. this is not the first time, such things always happen. Suggestion came from the House, government has accepted it, and so I have accepted
1,500
it.
crore has
I have
been
already
spent.
said the bill is deferred.
1,500 crore has
I
been
have
spent.
already said the bill is deferred.
1,500
Now-
crore has been spent for
Now,
developing
special- you come to the
infrastructure in the
special
district
mention.
courts. There are 16 judicial districts which have
No,
been
no, I have
established.
deferred it, no more discussion. I said I have already deferred. I took the sense of the House and said. No, you can't now say. I took the sense of the House and said the bill is deferred. Now.
No, but the
special
decision
mention,
can't
take special
hearing.
mention.
Decision should be after hearing.